Roadmap to learn data science, powered by HiLyst Analytics. Data science is not just a skill, it's the foundation of modern decision-making, automation, and business growth. This visual roadmap gives you a complete blueprint of what to master if you want to become a true data professional in the end of 2025. At HiLyst, we believe in simplifying complex concepts into structured, result-driven learning, from raw data to actionable insights. Here's how the journey flows. Mathematics. Build the logic behind models. Linear algebra, calculus, and optimization. Programming. Python, R, SQL, MongoDB. The tools to make data talk. Probability and statistics. Understand randomness, patterns, and hypothesis testing. Feature engineering. Convert raw data into useful variables. Machine learning and deep learning. Create intelligent systems that learn and improve. NLP and data visualization. Make your data speak visually and linguistically. Deployment. Automate and scale your models using Azure, Google Cloud, Flask, or Django. Every block in this roadmap represents a skill that connects the science of data with the art of decision-making. Whether you're a student, a data analyst, or a business owner, understanding this roadmap can redefine how you view data. At HiLyst, we transform this roadmap into real-world analytics through automation, Power BI dashboards, and AI-driven insights that empower businesses to grow smarter. Follow HiLyst Analytics for more data analytics, data science, BI, and automation insights.